So this Holiday of Power course is going to hit on everything you need to know to empower you physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, and energetically. I'm holding nothing back in this course. I'm giving you everything you need, everything you will need. So I'm actually preempting where you're going to be by the time you've actually completed this course and where you're going to be able to soar from the first week of January. You know, most people are waiting to make their resolutions on January 1st or sometime in the beginning of the year. And we know that doesn't work. We know that they make them, they stick with it maybe for a short time, and then they fall by the wayside. I want you to walk in to January 1st, 2020 with the pinnacle mental, physical, emotional, spiritual, energetic being you can possibly be embodying. Not beginning then. It's time to begin now and be prepared then, and then be able to go even further, which you'll be able to do, because there is no stopping what we are able to evolve into and become now. The limits have fallen by the wayside. The dark age is behind us. We are moving into a golden age, and you need to have the tools and understandings in order to make the most of that, because there's no more repeating of old cycles that don't serve you. There's no more repeating of habits and patterns and programs and ideologies that have only undermined you until now. We're finished with the old way of seeing and thinking and being. It's time to usher in a new way of doing all those things, and now is the time to do that. Now is the time to learn the tools and gain the information and apply the principles that you need in order to up-level your whole being. And I'm here to show you and help you, handhold you through the whole process. We're going to be hitting on everything to do with what should be going into your body, how to transition, and what shouldn't be going into your body. We're going to deal with how to transform your weaknesses, or your perceived weaknesses, let's say, into real strengths. I'm going to teach you how to become increasingly incorruptible in an increasingly corrupt world, which is extremely powerful, which is everything you need to know in terms of what's going to be required of you, how you're going to be needing to show up for life in 2020 and beyond. It's all about incorruptibility. Of course, we'll always hit on ideal diet, information around dietetics that you need in order to keep you looking and feeling younger and more beautiful. Those will always be things we'll hit on. I know so many of you love to get the latest, greatest information on all of that, so I'll of course be providing that. My trainer and sensei, Bradley Grant Smith, and I got together to provide you with the most unbelievable workout. It's going to carry you through the whole course. You can start with it on the first day of the course, and you won't believe how your strength and physical integrity and prowess and stamina and endurance and all of these things that you need to be embodying will increase with these simple exercises that we share with you. So that will be a big part of the course and what you'll be benefiting from. And then we have David Kennett, the world-renowned sound therapist, who will be providing us with the most incredible modality for breaking patterns and habits, which is invaluable. That alone is reason enough to join the course. He'll also be providing us with a sound healing session, and we'll be answering your questions. So you can send questions in directly to me. I'll receive them, and I will respond to them in the Q&A sessions. So there's so much to look forward to. From November 15th through the first week of January, you will be handheld, guided with everything you need to thrive this holiday season.